Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to Elegantly She, your go-to destination for all things wellness. Today, we're diving into the ultimate nutrition guide that will make healthy eating easy and enjoyable. Get ready for game-changing tips, expert advice, and delicious recipes that will help you achieve a balanced diet and nourish your body from the inside out. Grab your apron and let's embark on this exciting culinary adventure together. Picture this. You're on a quest for a healthier lifestyle, but the overwhelming sea of nutrition information leaves you feeling confused and uninspired. Fear not, because we're here to simplify it all for you. Today, we're revealing the secrets to healthy eating made easy, so you can create a balanced diet that fuels your body with all the essential nutrients it needs. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about making mindful choices and finding joy in nourishing your body with wholesome foods. How can you make healthy eating easy? Let's explore some game-changing tips and expert advice that will revolutionize the way you approach your nutrition. 1. Fill your plate with color. Aim to incorporate a rainbow of fruits and vegetables into your meals. The vibrant colors indicate a variety of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your overall health. 2. Focus on whole foods. Opt for minimally processed foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. Whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats should be the foundation of your meals. 3. Read labels. Be a savvy shopper by reading food labels. Look out for added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. Choose products with simple, recognizable ingredients and avoid highly processed foods. 4. Meal prep. Take the time to plan and prepare your meals in advance. This not only saves you time and money, but also ensures that you have healthy options readily available when hunger strikes. Remember, healthy eating is not about deprivation. It's about nourishing your body and finding pleasure in the foods you eat. Let's whip up a quick and delicious recipe together. Grab a bowl and let's make a vibrant Mediterranean quinoa salad. Combine cooked quinoa, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, feta cheese, and a drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice. Toss it all together and voila! You have a nutritious and flavorful meal that's as pleasing to the eyes as it is to the taste buds. Healthy eating is a journey, and every step you take towards nourishing your body is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Thank you for joining me on Elegantly She. I hope this ultimate nutrition guide has ignited a passion for healthy eating and empowered you to create a balanced diet that supports your well-being. If you haven't, don't forget to collect the free guide to elevate your wellness that offers tailored tips for women to boost mental and physical wellness. It includes action plans and reflection questions to keep you accountable. Link in the description box. Cheers to delicious meals and vibrant health. Until next time, stay elegantly nourished and keep enjoying the beauty of wholesome foods.